Hey guys, Chris here, also known as Mr. Thrifter, and I was reading my comments and I saw somebody was asking what types of books should they be sourcing for Amazon FBA? And this is a question I've always asked myself when I first started as well, and I wanted to make a video to explain which types of books that you should be looking for. Now these are just the ones I personally look for, so it's nothing on an official scale, but these are just 5 book types that I always look for, and they're the ones I go to first. Now, obviously, you know, there is textbooks. I'm not gonna put textbooks on this list because I think textbooks should be universally known to always check out textbooks. Textbooks should be your number one when sourcing books for Amazon FBA. So with that said, guys, yeah, textbooks, I'm not even gonna include it on this list, but textbooks should be your go-to. If you guys see textbooks in the store anywhere for like a pretty decent price, always scan them. Textbooks are the most profitable book that you could sell for Amazon FBA. But besides that, guys, my number 5, and by the way, these are in no particular order. I just thought these were a good order to put them in. But number 5 is Wicca books. Books about witches, magic, spells, Wicca themed, just that kind of theme book sells great on Amazon. People are into the occult will love these books. There is a very niche market surrounding Wicca books, and whenever I see a Wicca book, I always pick it up and scan, because those ones will usually end up selling faster on Amazon FBA than, let's say, a novel. Number 4, spiritual healing books. Now these are books that are kind of like self-help books, but like books about spiritual healing, books that are about meditation, Zen, yoga, heavenly type books, books that will make you feel good when you read them, books like The Secret. These types of books sell extraordinarily well on Amazon. They all have, most of them that I've scanned have all had great sales ranks, and people love these types of books. I guarantee you that if you pick up a book like this and it has a great rank, it will sell relatively quick when sending it into the Amazon FBA warehouse. Religion books. Religion books, guys, I know you might be weird scanning through religion books in a thrift store, but religious books, some of them can be worth a lot of money, and the sales ranks are actually pretty good. It depends, obviously, which one. Some of them are not so great, but once you come across a religious book with a pretty decent sales rank, religious books are always great, okay? I always scan religious books. Religious books is in my top for scanning. If I go into a thrift store, I always scan the religious section because those ones usually end up being higher ticket items, and they're also really great sales ranks. Number 2, business books. Business books is my number 2, and business is always right after textbooks. I go right to business books because business books are well sought after. They're expensive books. They're like, I would say that they're the next most expensive book right after textbook, and they're usually right in the same realm of like price wise as a textbook, right underneath it. So if you guys are in the thrift store and you guys are starting to scan through books, if the store is categorizing by genre, I would go to the business section and scan all the business books, because those books are going to be worth some pretty good money if they haven't been scanned over already. And my number 1, guys, my number 1 isn't a genre of book, it's just plastic comb books. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Plastic comb books, do not pass up on plastic comb books. I've been constantly and numerously surprised by plastic comb books. Plastic comb books, guys, they do so well. For some reason, whenever I scan a plastic comb book for Amazon, it comes up as a great rank, and I have no idea why. It just does every single time. Plastic comb books must be something that was used more in the past, and so it's rare to find, and maybe that's why they're so expensive. But plastic comb books, guys, they always sell great for me, and they always have an amazing sales rank. So always keep an eye out for plastic comb books and never pass them up. Always give them a scan when you see them, because you never know what you're gonna find. All right, guys, well, that was just 5 great types of books to look for to source for Amazon FBA. If you're in the thrift store and you see any of these categories, always give them a scan, because they are usually pretty good. And if you could lot up, especially Wicca and spiritual healing books, if you guys can get those books for like a quarter, even $1 each, I would say buy a bunch of them, lot them up, and sell them on Facebook or eBay as a bundle and make a profit there, because Amazon is not the only place where you guys could sell books on. There are a bunch of other platforms where you could take advantage of the bundle situation and lot them up. Anyway, guys, this has been Chris from Mr. Thrifter. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.